J in the City, where we are all about life, style, and inspiration. I'm Joshayajarre, and this is your Winter Chic Style Guide. Excited to share with you guys looks, staples, and accessories you will fall in love with this season.
Today we are going to get into some chic winter outfits, taking some of our 7 essential pieces and interchanging them throughout our wardrobe to create a clean, current, stylish look anywhere, anytime of the day. Now, let's unbox our luxury item of the month. Introducing the emerald green crocodile Lady Dior. She is so beautiful. Open the flap and she's all leather on the inside with a zipped pocket. Not too big, not too small. She comes with a detachable chain and embellished with crystals at the base of the handles and all around the Dior charm. A stunning addition to all your chic looks.
Now, don't forget, before we get started, make sure you go like, share, comment, and subscribe, and catch up on all our luxury unboxing and styling videos. Now let's get into some essentials.
Here, I took 2 essential pieces from Wolford to create a classic day-to-night look. Starting with the Colorado body in black, the perfect basic for sophisticated style. Favorably layered with the fatale skirt in black for a seamless, sexy look. For a continuous contrast, I went with a black thigh-high, allowing the outfit to come together as one. Black is always chic. Now the fun part. To avoid over-accessorizing, I'll add my Lady Dior to the mix for a pop of luxury. One piece will take you from simplicity to elegance. Complete the look with your favorite big black frame sunglasses and our winter essential favorite, a long black coat like this one from Tom Ford. Hang it over the shoulder and dress on another level. And there you have it, winter chic style at its finest. Now let's upplay comfort into style. First, I'm going to grab my leather tights, the perfect neutral to any outfit, comfy and edgy. So then I can solely focus on my sweater, the real center of attention. For a real chic look, find a sweater that's heavy and dramatic, like this one I found at Burberry, with large knit detailing. It's oversized and draped over the front of the body like a blanket. As a real standout piece, it has a heart-shaped open back, allowing you to wear it 2 ways. All about the dramatics. Paired with my Tiffany earrings for a touch of simplicity, the look is actually perfect for a self-care Sunday. But getting back to chic, for a seamless look, we're going to add our Burberry boots and take this vibe outside. While keeping the focus on the sweater, we want to keep our accessories light. And by contrasting color, we allow the sweater to shine and the strap to pop. Add our sunglasses, now that's chic. Perfect for late winter, this outfit will take you from lunch, shopping, or just a stylish me day. Now let's go run errands in our favorite jeans. When choosing a bodysuit, try to focus on texture and sheen. It changes the aesthetic of the outfit. Now let's slide on your favorite pair of jeans and let's talk style, comfort, and fit. This season, my go-to was the high-waist straight leg from YSL. And let me tell you, they are amazing. With an accommodating length, these jeans take me from casual to mod. For this outfit, I'm going to pair with the gold old lock Fendi earrings for a simple statement. Yes, a Louboutin booty. Sleek, not too bulky, the perfect addition that will bring your jeans to life. Grab a coat with neutral colors and textures like this brown suede one I found at H&M. Add a structured sack to the vibe, and there you have it. Chic, style, and we're going to run errands. In this look, we're going to keep it classy and sneakers. To keep the look balanced, we're going to start with one of our favorite designer t-shirts. Paired with my high-waisted skirt from Fendi, it's the perfect balance of sophisticated edge. With the illusion of a trouser, it falls straight with a sleek silhouette, where immaculate tailoring shines, allowing shape and movement. Grab my sneakers and switch out my earrings for something a little bit more bold and add a little bit more shine. This particular sneaker I chose is the Alexander McQueen. I love the sneaker because it reminds me of a classic Adidas. So it's a way to get that feel and look, but still stay sophisticated and sexy at the same time. Oh, and now we can walk around. To kick it up a notch, add a leather jacket, like this one I found at GIVENCHY. I love it because we can switch it on a skirt, jeans, pants, you name it. It's going to add that edginess to any look. With zipper detailing all around the jacket, it becomes a standout piece all on its own. Add our shades, our Lady Dior for a pop of color, and there you have it. Classy and sneakers. Now, let's take it to brunch in style. This look is all about the details, starting with a thigh high that conforms to the leg like a stocking for a seamless flow head to toe. And of course, add some sparkle. With the leather embossed zipper across the waist and the symmetric shaping, it allows an illusion of a two-piece. This is where finding dresses that are well constructed and tailored will stand apart. Heavier knit pieces with exaggerated seams shine the most this season, so let all the details glow. Top it off with the leather jacket to get you from point A to point B, and a standout bag to complement you while inside. And that's winter chic style.
Hope you guys enjoyed our winter chic style guide. I had so much fun. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so we can make more videos. See you guys next time.